He gets one-tapped, then blames his teammate.
I mean, just got hit by the fattest fucking bullshit you've ever seen. Just knows where I am. Yeah, and I was up cat, and I said it 50 fucking times.
Yeah, I was right behind you.
No, you weren't, bro.
Yes, I was, bro.
He wraps around sight just to shoot his team in the balls. He gets a bye just to peek his stupid end.
Molly Toiler. Oh, you're going in.
He ignores call-outs, then deny that they ever happened.
Is that cat? What's happening?
Oh my god!
No call. No, there was no call. You gave me no call. Nope.
He is the worst Counter-Strike teammate in the world.
I'm locking in, boys. Here we go. Here we go. I'm a little tipsy at the moment. I just completely lagged out. I'm lagging out. My game is frozen.
I don't always play Counter-Strike, but when I do, I'm drunk, say I'm gonna lock in, miss every shot, then lag. Stay grieving, my friends.
That's crazy. Nice.